For content?
Yeah, we need content.
Opening up some Paldea Evolved Packs is what's going on right now.
Ooh,
So
look at that. It's clean.
Look at that, huh?
Clean crease.
Now I can reseal it. Look at that, perfectly. Who wants a
I like Magnemite.
holographic card? Hopefully it's a
There you
alternate art. Foily. What's that thing?
Lamora. Good Pokemon. Cool Pokemon. New
Dude, it was
Pokemon.
super shiny.
Yeah.
It was really shiny. I went to here and it
Yeah, no.
looked like.
No, the shiny don't mean
Fake
nothing.
out. Fake
Oh,
out.
just now they're doing that around.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
edges,
yeah,
like,
yeah,
oh,
yeah.
you thought you got something good.
Oh, here, free codes.
Yeah, free code. Free code.
There we go.
Alright, we're gonna do one.
Here we go.
This is the new Black Lotus. Right here. Black Lotus.
I do like that Pokemon, but it's
Puppy
not,
dog?
not the most exciting card.
Something
But
else
it's
that
got
looks like a
sweet
puppy dog?
foily.
That's right.
See,
Pupitar.
doesn't look like you got something really good.
Swilus.
No, you don't.
Ooh, reversal energy.
Oh,
Hariyama.
You said
Free codes.
Kraken Packs. Thick Duck, I heard, is super lucky. So we'll see what this ducky's got for us.
That's the official Pokemon name too, Thick Duck. 2 C's.
Unlike my husband, I can open packs.
I mean, there's no need to be mean.
Boop. Boop. Oh, love disc. Is that a live sandcastle?
Gas is missing.
Ooh.
Pyroar shiny. That's not shiny.
Ooh. Yes, it is.
Is it?
This one?
Oh, there's very drab shininess to it.
He's shiny. Ooh.
Dunsparce and Abomasnow. Oh, great. Such a wonderful pack. There's a free code. That's the best part of the whole thing.
Yep. All right, Thick doesn't have it.
Crack
No.
another Thick Duck?
Come on, crack it on, Liz.
Alright.
One more.
Alright, here we go. Here's a Thick Duck.
One more Thick Duck.
Uno Mas.
One more Thick Duck.
En Espanol. How?
What?
Nothing.
The pack opening?
Yeah, no, I'm just terrible at it. That's fine. You're doing all the pack openings from now on.
Wackle.
Tadbulb? Wait, go back to that.
Tadpole.
Tadbulb.
It's like a light bulb tadpole.
Yes. Okay.
Great ball. Those are important.
You see, like, I'm not mad at Tadbulb, you know, because like there are like bioluminescent fish, but like the apple pie, man, I cannot get behind it.
Ooh, we got a Pokemon tool.
Ooh.
Reverse. Slacking.
Slacking. Still nothing great. No great pulls. Thick
right.
Duck, useless.
Yep.
There you go.
Useless.
It's official. Everyone hates Thick Duck.